Hey stylists and divas, it's Style Sadie S, and the S is for swirl. And today we're getting to this voluminous, chunky, and super springy twist out. Before we get started, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop some swirl emojis in the comments, y'all. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow-dried hair, separating my hair into thick sections. I'm using a very generous amount of mousse to section my hair. Your hair should be fully coated in mousse. This mousse is a staple on my hair shelf. It smells fantastic. The biotin, basil, and bamboo combo, it just gives healthy, and it does a great job at defining with no flakes when it dries. So we are doing the same thing to each section, doing the 2-strand twist method, fully coated in mousse. And one cool thing I like to add to make these curls extra springy is add a perm rod to the end. And to add your perm rod, you'll start just above the very bottom, then begin twisting up slightly. Next, twist the remaining of the end strands around the rod, making sure you're twisting over top of each strand, and this helps to secure the strands onto the rod. Now lock everything into place with the band going over top of the twist and pressing the end piece into place. And there we go. It's not as simple as it looks. It took me a couple times to get this method down right. So I'm going to double it back in slow motion and let y'all observe the whole twist process along with some tunes, and I'll be back during the takedown. It's time for the takedown, divas, and I'm using the Golden Chic Scalp Guide, of course. And to purchase that, the link is in the description below. This oil adds extra nourishment and a nice level of slip to help prevent tangling. This creates an overall smoother takedown. Just look at how springy those curls are. When it comes to separating the curls, it's up to you how voluminous you want them. The more you separate, the more volume you will get. So diva, it's up to you. Keep in mind, the more you separate, the curls will fade faster throughout the week. So I like to find a nice middle ground of how thick I want my curls to be so they're able to last a little longer. At the end of the video, I'll add some pictures on how my curls lasted throughout the week. And I'd like to say they kept up very nicely. To keep longevity, I'm using Tresemme Extra Hold. You can use your favorite one, Diva. I followed up with Cheese Shine Infusion Spray. This adds a nice shiny touch. And then I used Gummy Ultra Hold to sleek my edges. And then I was ready to slay the day. Well, night, as this was my New Year's Eve hair. I was so in love with this voluminous, chunky, springy twist out divas. I got some goals this year to save more money so I can start cosmetology school by next year. Also buy a car. I'm so excited for the year ahead and thankful for all of my friends and family that support me. Here's some pictures from my New Year's Eve, and I'll follow up with how my twist out lasted the remainder of the week. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go ahead and drop some swirl emojis in the comments if you would try any tips from this twist out. If you do, don't forget to tag me. Also, let me know if you have any tips and tricks for the next time I try this. Thank you so much for watching Stylettes and Divas. I'll see you in my next video.